Welcome to the ZebraBuzz platform. Today I'll guide you through the process of posting to your Facebook page through your ZebraBuzz account. To get started, make sure your Facebook page is connected to your ZebraBuzz account. If you're unsure how to connect your Facebook account to the system, please watch the video linked in the comments. ZebraBuzz is an AI social media automation platform developed to help users generate leads and sell their products through AI automation. Now let me walk you through how you can post to your Facebook pages through ZebraBuzz. This feature makes the lives of social media managers and Facebook page owners very easy. You will accomplish a lot in a short space of time. Let's get into it. Scroll down and locate the social posting menu on the left side. Click it. Here, there are 3 types of posting options you can use. In this example, I'm going to choose Multimedia Post, so I will click on it. Now, click on Create New Post. Here you will have the option to choose the post type: text, link, image or carousel, or video. I'm going to post a simple image. This will allow me to post up to 10 images to my Facebook page and/or Instagram page at a time. Next, I need to select the desired page I want to post to. Now I click on the Upload button and select images to upload. Here, you will see a message about how many images you are allowed to upload, and if you wish to upload a carousel, you will see a link to do so. Give a campaign name in the campaign name field. Then, in the text field area, write your post. Now select Posting Time. You can either post now or schedule to post later. You have the option to select the time and your time zone. In addition, if you wish to repost this post, you can schedule how many times you wish to repost it and the periodic intervals. In our case, I want to post now, so I select Post Now, and then I click on Submit. Congratulations, you have successfully published your post. Now you have the option to click here to see all your posts. Then you can click to view your post on your Facebook page. Voila! Your post is live. This is it for today. See you in the next video. Remember to share, subscribe, and like our channel.